This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Atom Smasher's stash early. This guide will walk you through the steps to acquire valuable items long before the main story concludes. You'll need to navigate to a specific location and overcome some challenges, but the rewards are definitely worth the effort. Let's dive into the details and get you equipped with some powerful gear right away. First, head over to the Northside Industrial District in Watson. Your target is the massive Ebunike ship, which is usually docked near the water. Once you spot it, you'll need to find a way to get on board. There are a few access points, so explore around the ship's perimeter until you find an opening. Be prepared for some initial resistance as you make your way onto the deck. After boarding the Ebunike, make your way towards the cargo hold. This area is typically well guarded, so be ready for a fight. Once inside the cargo hold, you'll need to find a specific hidden room. It might require a bit of searching or a quick hack to reveal its location. Inside, you'll find Atom Smasher's stash, filled with some impressive loot that will give you a significant advantage. The early access to Atom Smasher's stash provides you with powerful iconic weapons and other valuable gear, giving you a huge edge in your early game progression. This loot can drastically change your combat effectiveness and open up new strategies. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new arsenal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.